My name is Nihal Singh from Proud Technologies. Today I am going to give you the demonstration on Scrutiny panel. So this is the login screen of Scrutiny panel, and if you want to log in into the Scrutiny panel, you need to give your user ID and password. So the user ID is SCRT628488 and the password is, this is the password. And after giving the user ID and password, just click on the sign in button. When you click on the sign in button, you will get into the Scrutiny panel. So this is the dashboard of Scrutiny panel, and you can see here all the cases of petitioner and respondent. Alright, so this is the dashboard of Scrutiny panel, and you can see here old cases for process, today cases for process, total running cases, old rejected cases, today rejected cases, and these are the respondent cases. Alright, and as I told you earlier that what is Scrutiny? Scrutiny is a person who is working under the registrar, right? So registrar is the main officer of Scrutiny, and a single registrar has more than one Scrutiny or more than two Scrutiny, whatever the need. So Scrutiny can view all the cases of registrar panel. On the behalf of registrar, Scrutiny can work like a registrar. If there is any case which requires some more details, some more documents, so they can reject the case. If the case is pending for the Chief Judge panel, they can send the case from Chief Judge registrar to Chief Judge panel on the behalf of Scrutiny, but authorized from the registrar, right? So this is the work of the Scrutiny. So here in the Scrutiny panel, we can see or we can view all the cases of registrar panel. Okay, so as I told you earlier in our last videos that these are the petitioner and respondent cases. We can see the case wise, like old cases for process, we don't have any case pending in last few days, or today cases for process, we don't have any case which is still waiting for today. And total running cases, we have one cases, and just like that in respondent cases, so we don't have any cases in respondent. Alright, so this is the dashboard of Scrutiny panel. And cause list, when you click on the cause list, as I told you earlier in our last panels, the cause list work as a filtering. So if there is case on petitioner, so you can see all the new cases for petitioner, and you can see all the new cases for respondent. After that, case diary is the same. If you have any case on the date, particular date, so it will show here. And as we can see that today is 24th, and it's showing that there is no case for today. Alright, so case search, it is work same like as registrar panel. If you can search any case within the given parameter. For example, like right now we have only 4 cases, so we can search cases very easily. But if we don't have any, for example, if there are so many cases and we want to search a particular case, so we need to give our receiving number, case root number, case type or sub case type. Or if you don't have all these parameters, so you can search the case by status, or so we have these 4 parameters like new cases, running cases, completed cases, and rejected cases. And when you click on the from date and to date, so click on the search button, you will get the date between this date and this date, all the cases of between these 2 days. Right? So this is the case search for the Scrutiny panel, and this is the rejected cases. So what is in the rejected cases? As I told you in the registrar panel, rejected cases, you can see all the cases which are rejected for petitioners and which are rejected for respondent cases. Right? So right now it is taking time. Alright, this is the rejected cases. Rejected by scrutiny for petitioner, rejected by receiving registrar for petitioner, and rejected by registrar for respondent, replied by receiving registrar for respondent. So these are the few types of rejected cases. So this is all about the scrutiny panel. Once again, the summary of the video, like scrutiny work as a registrar under the registrar panel. So this is all about the scrutiny panel, and we will give you more details on our other panels in our next video. So till then, thank you, bye bye.